Hello, this is Kazuyo. In this lesson, you'll learn how to draft the T-bottom tote bag, a classic style where the bottom panel extends into the body to give depth and structure. We'll use Cloth 3D essential 2D tools and features, along with a specialized method that transforms foundation patterns into accurate sewing patterns. These techniques will help you achieve precision in size, proportion, and details, important both for simulation and for real-world sewing. The process begins with a foundation pattern, also known as a sloper block or blueprint. This base pattern acts as your master template, which you'll adapt and refine to match your concept dimensions. Mastering this step ensures accuracy and balance in your final design and support the entire pattern-making workflow. Let's get started. For the bottom piece, create a rectangle using the depth and half body width. In the T-bottom tote, it's crucial that the top line length matches the bottom line length. This alignment ensures the gusset and body sew together without distortion. In the 2D window, use the internal rectangle tool to draw the half-body foundation patterns. Shape it according to the formula upper width plus gusset equals bottom width plus depth. This ensures a perfect balanced half-body draft. With the Edit Pattern tool, select the outline, remove an extra point, then right-click and choose Unfold with symmetric editing and sewing. The pattern unfolds automatically, giving you a mirrored piece ready for sewing. Outline the handle pattern using your measurement and a point on the top edge where the handle meets the body, making sure the length matches your sewing plan.